I could get phone calls from them, like looking for people at certain times. Do we have people available? So far it's been anyone that's just looking for work gets work. What we do here is we do an 18-week welding course for basic beginners. So we cover arc, MIG and TIG, 3 welding processes, and the learner also does he does safe pass, abrasive wheels and manual handling, so they're now ready to enter the working environment. At the end of the course, after 15 weeks, they will do 3 weeks work experience, and in that work experience hopefully they will get a job offer. In the 15 weeks what we cover is MIG welding is one of them, so that's a MIG weld multi-run pass, and all our tests are done by tested by MetLab in Cork, and they're independently verified. So they test the destruction, and the same test that's done, say in Thurles, is done in Germany and all over Europe. So it's a European standard. So there's a manual metal arc stick weld. Same again, 3-run fillet weld. Evening classes also cover Dariy Pipe Welding. So that's a Dariy pipe. There's a joint between the two, and it's been cut apart to expose the root, which is purged so that you get a clean weld. The day class also do TIG aluminium, so that's an example of TIG T-fillet, and they'll do that towards the latter end of the course. The student progresses on to an apprenticeship with metal fabrication is the usual area they'll go into, and otherwise they can progress on to working as a welding operative. So that would be in the likes of brew stoves, with the wire steel and drum. As an apprentice they might go into the likes of OMC and Thurles would be a crowd that would take them on, Buttermers in Care and Cross Fabrications. So there's lots of engineering companies in Tipperary that are willing to take on people. We would have people from the farming community doing evening courses maybe on manual metal arc welding. We've also people upskilling and they want to change jobs. We've also had industry sending in their own people to upskill. Revive inside in town, for instance, have sent in I'd say probably 10 or 12 workers at this stage in here, and they've upskilled in particular in the TIG welding area, that they're taking on new roles inside their own factory.